ito.
Eh, ma'am, gusto niyo try?
Hindi, okay lang.
Ayaw.
Ate, ano?
O yan, mag-show daw.
Ano ba yan?
Nasahit mo na. Wala.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our show and tell session here at the Biodome Amphitheater. Today, we have some fascinating creatures to introduce to you, all of whom call our biodome world of one of the biggest, baddest, and most captivating reptiles around. Say hi to Cheesecake. Our name is Python. Scientific name is Python bibitatus, often known as the heavyweight champion of the snake world. Can grow over to 20 feet long. Serpents are enjoying their meal, exhibiting a built-in food prep routine.
Ate, touch mo lang.
Fascinating and a little
Dali,
scary.
touch mo lang.
Surprisingly, their excellent swimmers effortlessly glide showcasing their true aquatic prowess. These pythons hail from Southeast Asia, including countries like Myanmar, Burma, Thailand, Indonesia, and Vietnam. Once again, our Burmese python, Cheesecake. And now say hi to our blue gold macaw, Chance. Scientific name is Ara Araruna. Just behold this magnificent bird with feathers that blend with green and range on sunlight yellow, which length of about 30 to 36 inches, and a wingspan of approximately 41 inches. Native to a wide range of tropical and subtropical habitats of South America, including countries
Okay,
like
Lucas.
Brazil,
Ay, nahulog.
once again, blue and gold macaw, Chance. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey to discover Burmese python and our blue and gold macaw, one of the most colorful, loving, and vital inhabitants. We hope you enjoy meeting our friends up close and learn more about their fascinating lives. Before we conclude, we'd like to remind you that you're welcome to take photos of our reptiles using your cell phone.
Ay, siya din daw. So, ikaw din.
With your friends.
Later daw, later.
To spread the wonder of nature. Thank you again for being a part of our reptile showcase, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a wonderful day.
Ayan na, ate, go.
Picture, solo or by group. Pwede po sa stick and group.
Ate, dali na.
Okay, first
Si Lucas kung binatakot ako.
Babalatan niya yung sarili.
Oh, ang galing mo binalatan.
Ang galing, oh. Nagpina. Ito naman.
Oh, si Lucas ulit, oh.
Lapit ka din kay Lucas. Lumapit ka din kay Lucas.
Oh, Lucas, bigay mo. Ay, naman.
Mag-ingat ha. Kaya bigyan mo nga kami sa.
Galing ah. Wait,
Next group po,